Hey, what's going on, y'all? This is Will Stay Winning with another shoe review. So I've been looking at my analytics, and I can tell that you all like when I do shoe reviews. So I got another one for you all today. So this time we have a Nike release. We have the Nike More Uptempo 96. So for you all that's familiar with 90s basketball or 90s releases, this was a Scottie Pippen shoe. Most people know this colorway as the black with the white writing on it, where it has air on the side. So this release that I have, the official colors are black, Action Grape, and gold. Now this pickup I got from Hibbert Sports. I got it fits true to size. So this is what we're working with right here. So it's black, has the purple outline, the nubuck upper, purple swoosh on the bottom, and then it has this sort of, I don't want to call it tumbled leather, but the sort of cracking, they come like this. If anybody can explain it better in the chat, go ahead and put it in the comments. So this is what we have, purple swoosh on the back. And then we have the other shoe. So same thing, purple swoosh on the back. And then for the tongue, you have a gold swoosh. So that's where the gold come in. So these are the More Uptempo Action Grape colorway. And then I'm gonna do a quick on shoe look. So this is how the Uptempos look on feet. You can see we got the gold swoosh right here. These still go with some jeans. Put them with sweatpants like I got them, but these were $192 after taxes. These are the Nike More Uptempo Action Grape colorway. Like, comment, subscribe.